What's up guys, it's JC Tech and Finance here. If you're trying to decide whether you should get the new 2023 HomePod or stick with the 2018 original HomePod or the 2020 HomePod Mini, spoiler alert, there are only 5 real reasons to upgrade, and if you fit at least 4 of these reasons, then you should upgrade. Otherwise, you should pass. Watch until the end of the video to hear all of the reasons why and also all of the negatives. More after this. Welcome back. In the winter of 2018, Apple announced a whole new class of products, the Apple HomePod. With its unrivaled audio quality, as a smart speaker, it definitely stood out from the crowd. There was just one problem though. Most people at the time had been taught to believe that smart speakers should be cheap, just like the Amazon Echo. And so it never really found its niche. And in the spring of 2021, the original HomePod was cancelled. Surprise, surprise though, Apple resurrected the Apple HomePod in a new form in 2023. First, let's go ahead and unbox this HomePod. As you can see, the new HomePod sits on top. Let's unpeel this sticker. The screen at the top of the HomePod is definitely bigger than the original model. At the bottom, we have the user manual and the warranty. No stickers though. Oh, and look, there's this unattached power cable. Thanks Apple for listening. I know a lot of people wanted something like this. Now let's put the box to the side. Now let's talk about the 5 reasons why you might want to buy the new HomePod if you already have an old one. 1. You want a HomePod that delivers slightly better sound thanks to the improved computational ability of the processor. The S7 chip is nearly a decade newer than the A8 used in the original HomePod. The effect will be even more pronounced when the new HomePod is used in stereo with another new one. Two, you want a HomePod that has a darker black color than the space gray of the original HomePod in order to better match your decor. 3. You want a HomePod that has a power cord that is removable so that the HomePod can be better positioned in your home. Thanks Apple for listening. 4. You want a HomePod with Matter support. Why is this great? Well, because for homeowners, it helps enable the communication of smart home devices across different frameworks. For example, a device that works with Amazon Echo would also work with Apple HomeKit if there's Matter support. And 5, you want a smart speaker system from Apple that comes with a temperature and humidity sensor, as well as a sound recognition feature, which could come in handy for smoke alarms. Note, the temperature and humidity sensing is optimized for indoor domestic settings with ambient temperatures around 15 to 30 degrees Celsius and relative humidity around 30% to 70%. Now, there are always some negatives. 1, the best experience requires 2 of the new HomePods, and it isn't backwards compatible with the original HomePod. This ties into the second negative. One of these new HomePods costs $299, while to get the best experience, you will need to fork out $600. Plus tax unless you live in one of those tax-free states such as Texas or Florida. A third reason is that buying this HomePod traps you in the walled garden of Apple, as it doesn't function as great as it possibly could when not using Apple Music. Now we've heard the positives and we've heard some negatives, but here's a bonus reason for why you might want to buy a new HomePod. Well, The best reason is that your original HomePod is broken and you want to buy a replacement. All in all, for the average user of the original HomePod, the new HomePod falls a little flat, and it's not worth upgrading unless 4 to the first 5 reasons to buy apply to you, or the bonus reason. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to leave a like on the video if you found it helped you. And if you want to keep up with the latest reviews, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be kept in the loop when I release all the new videos I have planned for the year. If you want to see my original 2018 HomePod review, look here. And if you want to see my review of the 2020 HomePod Mini, look here. Thank you all for watching. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.